How to sell crypto on Binance P2P and withdraw to bank. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to sell crypto on Binance P2P Trading and withdraw to your bank account or Apple Pay or Gcash. In order to do this procedure, what you have to do is first of all go ahead and log in into your Binance application. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you just have to go ahead and press the icon in the top left hand side corner of your screen. Then you need to go ahead and select P2P. First of all, you need to go ahead and enable P2P, or you need to set up this. So over here you need to go ahead and press on sell. Then you need to go ahead and press the sell button, select the asset that you wish to go with the selling process and confirm the transaction. And next, what you have to do is you just have to enter the exact amount. As you're done entering the exact amount, then you have to confirm the transaction. And as soon as you're done setting up your P2P, or when you're done with that procedure, then you need to exit out of the P2P section, and then you need to go to the wallet tab. Here you need to go ahead and select fundings and press the transfer button. You need to go to fiat wallet. So select the fiat wallet, and when you have selected the fiat wallet, then you need to enter the bank account details where you actually want to transfer or withdraw and confirm the transaction. Then you've successfully completed the procedure. So in this way you can sell crypto on Binance P2P and withdraw to your bank. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.